Hello guys, so today we'll be introducing to you a suture practice kit. So I've ordered this online and these are the items available in this. So I'm going to unbox this now. So a needle holder forceps, Caesar, mosquito forceps 1 and suture thread, suture needle pack, BP handle and BP handle blade and advanced model skin 2 are available. It's a pad for medical students. So it is provided by the company Medico. Let's open and check it out. So we are opening it and this is how it is. And this kit costed me around 1200 rupees. And you can see there's a forceps. The surgical blades are available here. One blade is there. And then there are these forceps available. And so here we have the forceps, then the needles. So stainless steel suture needles, then there is this blade, then silk thread is available, then needle holder forceps is there, and also mosquito forceps is there, BP handle is there, and then finally you have the model skin for practice. The model skin the model skin available and we'll be practicing our suturing on this. So there are various incisions shown in this. So we'll be practicing the suturing on each of these incisions. The different types of suturings also we can do on them. And that is how here you can see that there's a Y-shaped one and different kinds of incisions. So we'll be trying out with our needle and thread, and with the forceps we'll be trying it out. In my next video, I'll be showing different types of suturing that I'll be doing on this. So guys, keep subscribed for more updated contents. Till I come back with my new video, stay tuned. Bye-bye.